Grade 10, so this is the second part about covalent bonds that we are going to discuss. So the first point we have here, and by now you should remember it is when two or more non-metals bind. Okay, that's very important. And the second part, which is important, is that it shares electron pairs. Okay, now when we look at covalent bonds, we have three different types. And it's very easy to identify whether it's a single, a double, or a triple bond. Okay, so as we can see with hydrogen, they share one electron pair. That means it's a single bond. Okay, if we look at oxygen, here we can see that it shares two electron pairs, and that means that there will be a double bond. Okay, the third is when, for instance, I have nitrogen, I have 1, 2, 3 electron pairs, and that makes electron pairs, and that makes it a triple bond. Okay, and then we must also identify whether a bond is polar or non-polar. Okay, so a polar bond means it's not spread evenly. Okay, it will form a positive and a negative poles because of electronegativity differences. Okay, so for example, if we look at water, H2O, okay, can you see that it doesn't look evenly spread? It looks more like it has a triangle shape. Okay, it means this side is not balanced with this side. That makes it polar. Also because my hydrogen is more positive and my oxygen part is more negative. So if I have a bond like this, one part will become more positive and the other part will become more negative. So it forms a positive and a negative pole. Okay, the same with hydrogen chloride. It works the same with hydrogen chloride. Okay, so here we can see that there's only hydrogen on this side, no hydrogens there, so it's not balanced. Okay, why? Because my hydrogen side is more positive and my chlorine side is more negative. Okay, if we look at non-polar bonds, they are spread more evenly. Okay, let's look at hydrogen for example. Okay, hydrogen has a positive and a positive. Okay, so it's balanced out. Also the same with oxygen. Okay, can you see that the crosses and the crosses I have here are placed more or less like here and here? It's, in other words, symmetric. Okay, that makes it a non-polar bond because there's no positive side and no negative side. The homework you have to do, I will put it for you on the WhatsApp group. Thank you, grade 10s.